So many mounting options with the adapter. If you don't have a cold shoe, you can use the included adapter and clip it on the phone. And if you do have a cold shoe like this, you don't need this one, and just directly mount it on the cold shoe. There you go. By the way, this tripod is from Hollyland. It has 2 mounting spots. You can add an additional microphone here. And you have a really complete setup for lighting and the mic, shotgun mic. Type-C charging, let's test the speed. 5 watts. 50%. Yeah, 5.2 watts. It's really fast considering the compact size of this portable light. It can be used when charging. The speed slows down a little bit when it's in use. Let's try that again. Yeah, about 5 watts. 2000 milliamps.